Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So I'm a family medicine physician practicing here in the Philippines, and I started this channel because I noticed na hanggang ngayon, marami pa rin ang nagtatanong ano ba talaga ang family medicine. So in this first video, gusto ko lang magbigay ng clear at simple introduction sa specialty na ito at kung bakit siya mahalagang bahagi ng healthcare. Basically, family medicine is the specialty that provides first contact, continuous, and comprehensive care. So kami yung unang nilalapitan ng patient sa kahit anong health concern at hindi lang one-time visit. Tuloy-tuloy yung follow-up at relationship over time. Family medicine also serves individuals, families, and even the whole communities. So, hindi lang nakafocus sa isang patient, tinitingnan din natin paano naapektuhan ng family at environment ang kalusugan ng isang tao. Another unique thing about family medicine is that it covers all ages, from pediatrics to geriatrics. Kasama na rin dito ang gender and all stages of life. What's nice about this specialty is that it integrates clinical and behavioral sciences. So yes, ginagamitan ito ng medical knowledge at physical exam skills, pero tinitingnan din namin ang behavior, emotions, family dynamics. At the end of the day, family medicine is all about holistic, patient-centered approach, promoting health through education and advocacy, and removing barriers to accessible and equitable care for everyone. So after understanding what family medicine is, so ang next na tanong is, anong exactly or anong ginagawa ng isang family physician in real life? Actually, there are six main roles of family physician. First, healthcare provider. So, kami yung nagda-diagnose, nagtitreat at nagbibigay ng preventive care sa patient. So, basically, that's the role as a doctor. Next, educators. We educate our patient and families. We explain the health conditions in simple terms and nagbibigay ng advice kung paano i-prevent yung disease. Third, as a researcher, so we use research or gumagawa ng research para ma-improve yung quality ng care, lalo na sa primary care level. Fourth, coordinator. So, kung kailangan na ng specialist, kami na yung nagre-refer at nag-organize ng next steps para smooth pa rin yung care ng patient. Fifth, as a leader, so family doctors are also involved sa mga health programs at minsan sa administrative work, especially sa community or hospital setting. Last, as a navigator, so we guide the patient through the health system, parang tour guide sa healthcare para alam nila kung saan pupunta at anong gagawin. So after understanding the different roles of a family physician, so paano natin ginagawa yan, no? Paano ginagawa ng family physician lahat ng yan in practice. So in Philippine Academy of Family Physicians, ginagamit namin ang tinatawag na PFC approach, and that stands for patient-centered, family-focused, and community-oriented. So patient-centered, ibig sabihin, nakasentro sa patient yung care. We consider their unique needs, preference, at kung ano yung goals nila. Hindi lang basta ito yung gamot. We actually listen and involve them in decision making. Family focus, dito naman, we also look at the role of the family. Paano nakaapekto ang family sa health ng patient? May support ba sila? May dynamics or problems sa bahay na nakaka-trigger ng illness? So lahat ng yan, sinaalang-alang namin sa management. For the community-oriented, tinitingnan din natin yung community, no? Kung saan sila nakatira. May access ba sila sa health services? May environmental issues ba? Kung may health problems sa buong community, hindi lang isang tao ang kailangan tulungan, dapat community intervention din. So using the PFC approach, ano naman ang scope of practice na ginagawa ng isang family physician? So, in other words, no, ano bang talagang ginagawa natin sa araw-araw namin sa araw-araw. So, as I've said a while ago, care for all age groups. Next, manages acute, chronic, and preventive health problems. Addresses the physical, psychological, social, and spiritual needs. Provides health promotion and disease prevention services. Performs minor procedures and initial emergency care. participates in community health programs and public health activities, and coordinates care and refers to other specialists when needed. So, kumusta ang actual practice ng family physicians dito sa Philippines? So, to answer that, a study entitled The Practice Profile of Filipino Family Physicians Nationwide, it's a web-based survey published in the Filipino Family Physician Journal, Volume 58, Issue 2, 2020. Yes, published last May 31, 2020. So, based sa survey, malaking role ng family medicine sa preventive at primary care sa Philippines. Most family physicians work both sa government at private sector. And because of that, mas marami ang napapagawa ng preventive services, mas mababang gastos, mas kaunti ang napapa-admit sa hospital. Pero may mga recent trends tulad ng dual practice, so mas limited na scope at migration abroad na nagre-resulta sa unequal distribution ng doctors at minsan lower job satisfaction. Kaya mahalaga na maintindihan natin yung current practice ng mga Filipino family physicians para maging successful ang universal health care. So with all of that in mind, mas lalo natin naiintindihan kung bakit importante ang family medicine sa healthcare system ng bansa. So for the objective, it's simple. The goal of the study was to describe the family of or the practice profiles and geographic distribution of the Filipino family physicians. For the methods, ginamit nila yung isang web-based cross-sectional survey at ang mga participants ay mga family physicians na nakalista sa PFP membership database. Sa results, 95% of the family physicians ang nagsasabing nakakakita sila ng patient at least once a week sa isang health facility. For the geographic distribution, 30% ay nasa Luzon, 28% nasa NCR, 20% sa Visayas, at 18% sa Mindanao. So majority, 51% ay may mixed type practice, meaning both public and private, and 49% lang yung exclusively in one setting. So kapag clinic-based, mas common ang private sector practice, pero sa mixed practice, mas marami ang may involvement sa practice or public sector. So in terms of services, wide-ranging, may counseling, vaccination, minor surgery, and palliative care. So in summary, most Filipino family physicians are actively practicing either in public or private sector, and only a small number ang nasa solo clinic practice. And the services offered are very broad, including management of chronic conditions, counseling, home visits, preventive care tulad ng prenatal checkups, vaccinations, and screening tests like pap smear. So ayun, I hope na mas malinaw sa inyo ano talagang family medicine, ano yung roles ng family physicians, at kung gaano kalawak yung scope ng practice nila dito sa Philippines. Kung interested kayo sa more topics about primary care or life as a family medicine doctor, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. At kung may iba pa kayong gustong i-discuss. Salamat sa panonood and see you in the next video.